Hey YouTube, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a how-to video. As you see, I took this video of a train today with my iPhone. As you see, it appears to be um, horizontal instead of vertical. It's opposite the way I took it with my phone. A common question is, how do I fix it? Is it something wrong that I did? No, it's just the way photos brought it in. So what I decided to do was do a how-to video to answer this question. The video just needs to be turned. This is in the Photos app on a Mac, but I don't know how it is with Windows, but for Apple users, we first of all get out of Photos, and what you want to pull up is QuickTime Player. This is equipped with most Apple computers. So we open QuickTime Player, we go to File, Open File, and we scroll down. If we can find it. Go to All My. Well, actually, first of all, you have to export it out. Go back to Photos. Got ahead of myself a little bit. So we're going to go to File, Export One Video. You want to do this to the desktop. Movie quality 1080p. That's pretty good. We hit Export. And you want to do it to the desktop. And a little icon should pop up. See, this icon here will tell you how it's coming along. So we wait for this to export the file. You've got to get it out of Photos in order to access the file. And QuickTime Player is good. It's equipped with most Apple computers. And it's exporting the item. And it will give a notification here on the right corner to tell you if it's exported or not. See there, export complete. One file has been exported to the desktop. So you're done with Photos. So we can get out of this. And there's the file right here. So we'll go back to QuickTime Player. Pull it back up. You want to go to File, Open File, and see, there it is. Image 5167. That's the video I took today. So we click Open. All right. Then you will go to Edit. Now you have several options: flip vertically or horizontal, or rotate left and right. The way I do it is you rotate. So we click Rotate to the left, and there it is. That's it. That's all you have to do. So now we go to File, and we need to save it. You can hit export it. You got to export it out of QuickTime, so we go back 1080p. We export it as 7235 leads to 27 or 22A. This is a video I caught today. And you want to save it to the desktop again, so we click the Save button. This is the save method. And see, here's the exporting progress. As you can see, it's moving pretty good. Depending on your Wi-Fi connection, it will determine how fast it takes. For about a 2-minute video with an iPhone, it's pretty quick. So we're just waiting for this to finish up. And it's also saving it at the same time. About 5 seconds. And bam! You also want to, you can save this if you want, but before you do it, you want to go back to the desktop. See, right there, that's the new video. You do not have to save it here, since it is already on the desktop. So then you just drag it into YouTube and just upload it, and that's it. So I hope this video was some helpful. I apologize for getting a little ahead of myself, but that's the way to do it. Any questions or comments, please leave a comment in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Engineer Pat with a technology how-to, and I'll see you next time.